Apeksha, I am studying in 9th Government High School section Jalur. I am participating at the Thinking Marathon 21-22. Let me introduce my teammates, Hemanth and Vismay. Vismay made model and Hemanth made software, and I surveyed our model. Let I am tell about materials required. KEYPAD, Arduino Uno, servo motor and jumper cable. And over to tell about Vismay.
And as we all know, we have used a lot of alien technology in our models, so it is important for us to know scientific principle before knowing our project. At first, we have used KEYPAD. KEYPAD doesn't have a lot of scientific principles, so I am going to skip to Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno works on a microcontroller known as Apeksha, which processes information and can give input from sensors and give output to other output devices such as LED and servo motor. And here we have servo motor inside it. Servo motor basically works on the principle of spinning. It basically has an axle attached to it which spins in an angle-wise anti-clockwise and clockwise rotation according to the program. And next over to Hemanth to tell about the working mechanism of our project.
Working mechanism. Our project works on Arduino Uno, which works on a microcontroller. And when the user enter a password, the KEYPAD sends a signal to the Arduino Uno, which records she password, and if she is correct, records she password, and if is correct, the actives a servo and the servo pulls a door. If the password is incorrect, it doesn't react to the password. Advantages: it's eco-friendly and fully secure system, cheap and efficient, and